Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of boric acid versus diatomaceous earth for roaches. Watch till the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between boric acid and diatomaceous earth is how quickly they kill roaches. When roaches eat borax, a white powder, it destroys or poisons their stomach lining, which kills them almost instantly. Still, boric acid can cut through a roach's exoskeleton. On the other hand, diatomaceous earth, a fine powder, works a bit slower. When roaches come into contact with their microscopic, sharp, and abrasive edges, they puncture their exoskeletons. Over time, the roaches lose moisture and suffer extreme dehydration, which kills them. While it can be effective, it requires the roaches to come into direct contact with the powder and takes longer to kill them, making it less reliable than boric acid. Therefore, boric acid is the better choice since it often kills roaches faster. Exposure to moisture. Although diatomaceous earth does not require monitoring once applied, be aware that it will become wet and ineffective if it comes into contact with moisture. It is ideal for areas with low humidity. However, boric acid remains effective even when it comes into contact with moisture. Therefore, boric acid wins in this category since it works to kill roaches even when applied in slightly damp areas. Application method. Boric acid has multiple application options. You can use it only in its powder form or as a bait to kill roaches. Mix the substance with powdered sugar or a sugar water solution to use it as bait. On the other hand, for diatomaceous earth, you only have the option of sprinkling it in areas frequented by roaches. Therefore, boric acid is the better choice in this category since it allows its application with multiple methods. Safety for humans and pets. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is non-toxic, making it a safer option to use when your loved ones and pets are around. However, boric acid is a dangerous chemical that puts pets and children at greater risk if there is exposure. Hence, you must handle boric acid carefully to avoid its risks. Therefore, diatomaceous earth wins in this category since it is much safer than boric acid. From the table, you can tell that boric acid is better for killing roaches faster since it is a highly toxic chemical, and when used with a bait, it attracts those pesky insects to ingest it. On the other hand, diatomaceous earth is more suitable for killing indoor crawling insects that may take time to come into physical contact with it. Additionally, you can use boric acid in damp areas as its effectiveness will remain unchanged, no need to replace it. Similarities. Boric acid and diatomaceous earth are similar because they are effective for killing roaches and thus can form part of your pest control strategy. Verdict. So, which one is better? Although boric acid may not be safe for plants and humans, it is better than diatomaceous earth since it can kill roaches faster when ingested as bait. Also, boric acid works normally even when exposed to damp conditions, so if you want to kill roaches faster, consider boric acid. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.